Mm-hmm. I lost my daddy 14 years old, lost Dred at 12. Life in jail. Ain't it funny how the money makes you separate with the fate? I started off small time, thinking money game. I'm undercover, in the diamond ring. I got a thing, but man, my whole world's changed. Some niggas left me in the brain. My girl's changed. Changed on me. I started grinding like me. 200 G's from my damn mother from me. I hit my knees. I tried to if I tried to do a coat, nigga. Head down, crying tears in the hospital. A broken home, trying to get my hustle on, nigga. Killed alive, my soul gone. I bought our mama a house, she got this relief. All the niggas in penitentiary. I can clearly see the sunshine, but I'm steady walking through the rain. I can clearly see the sun. Oh God.